kitchen hacks, smelly sponges, bean and pea storage, deodorized wood blocks, and plastic cutting mats. Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio. 1. Smelly sponges. We are boiling the dirty, mildewy sponges in vinegar. Once it starts to boil, flip it over. Give it a minute or two, and then transfer it to your dishwasher or sink. Now use something so you don't burn yourself, something like this. Turn off the heat. And it's very hot right now. And move it over to some place in the dishwasher like here, where it can get plenty of exposure from the water. When you turn on your dishwasher, the water will go through and clean the sponges. Alright, so these are 2 sponges that we boiled in the vinegar. I put them in the dishwasher. They smell really nice. So this is something that can be used in your kitchen. Keep your sponges, your kitchen sponge, from smelling. Hack number 2. Bean and pea storage containers. This is a bean hack. This is an old milk bone clear. You don't want to just really basically put your food inside. These are orange peas. These are great northern beans. Black beans. Why am I telling you this? So instead of them floating around your cupboard, you put them in one of these bigger containers and it all keeps it in one place. Now here, these are red small beans. Okay, so then I have all the beans and peas in one location. So then I just put the cover on and I store this in my cupboard, and I can see here's the peas, here's the beans, here's a combination, here's the red beans, black beans here. So I can see what's in there, and it's safe from bugs or anything else that can come to it. Hack 3. Deodorize wood blocks and plastic cutting mats. Okay, so what you have here is you have a plastic cutting board, which I use all the time, and you have a wood, or in this case bamboo cutting board. What I'm going to show you is how to deodorize it. You can wash this in a dishwasher, and I do. I stick it in the dishwasher, and you know, it gets all the dirt off and all that, but there are little cracks in here, and you wonder sometimes if the food particles are getting stuck. And here it's the same thing. This may be bamboo, but there's going to be little cuts from the knives and all that, and I'm going to show you what I do, how do I deodorize my cutting boards. So what happens if you have your butcher block, it's been disinfected, but you got this stain over here. The easiest way to get rid of it is to use a lemon. Just turns out that you don't have any lemon. You cut the kumquat in half, you flip them down, ordinary salt. It doesn't have to be vegan salt. You just want to take your kumquat on top of the salt and you rub it into your board. And what it is, the combination of the kumquat acid, citric acid, and the salt will help you remove that spot. Take another one, do the same thing. Do it all over the board. And this will remove any spots that you have faster than any detergent. The salt is acting as the sand, and the kumquat is acting as the acid. This works on wood, this works on plastic, and the other ones that you've already cut that haven't been salted, they can be used in other things. Now if you have lemons, use lemons, because that's just an easier to grab it on than a little kumquat. But at that, you have an overabundance of kumquat. Say you have a kumquat tree in your backyard, or a friend gave you 20 pounds of kumquat. This is another really good use of using it. To be a really bad stain right over here, it's almost all gone. Okay, now we're going to wash it off and check it. And you can see that the stain that was around here is almost all gone. And the best part about it is by using a lemon, you have automatically deodorized your chopping block. In this case, your chopping mat. See, compared to this side, which hasn't been done, you can see all kinds of marks. This side is perfectly clean, and it smells good too. Thank you for watching this tip. I hope these hacks helped you with your kitchen needs. Thank you for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.